All right, so ladies and gentlemen, I will show you how to register and connect and set notification for your Bekenet software. So follow me with one step at a time of setting up your Bekenet software. So let's go. Now, first of course, we give us link on our group to register on Bekenet. So you click on the link this way and it pops open. The first thing you have to do is to register. So how do you register? You fill in your detail. Look at the detail box where you're going to fill here. So you fill in this place, your first name, your phone number, your email, create a password and confirm it. And once that is done, you are first of all done with the first step. Very simple. So there is no too much English about that. Once that is done, you've created an account. And then the next you should do is to download the software. So having registered, the first thing you are now going to do, and the next thing you to do is to download the software. So say click here, look at where you download the software. And you can see that. So say click here to download the software. Now close this pop-up. So you click here to close this pop-up. Okay, so close it. Then you look good up here. You see this install app, so you tap on it. So you want to install, yes, go ahead and wait for the installation to finish. So now, so the notification up there, the installation is done. So the notification was shown that, look at the notification of this installation. Okay. So that is the installation. So you tap on it. So this is the installation. The app is installed. So you open it this way. Fantastic. So congratulations. The app is installed properly. Next, we're going to do is to set up your notification so that you can be receiving signal. So look at it, you come down, so don't log in yet. Don't log in yet. So look at down here. Look at this like a bear. So tap on it. Say allow Bekenet to send notification. Yes, allow. Okay, say thank for subscribing. Okay, so you tap on it again. Okay, so once it says thank for subscribing, just wait, send all those notifications. Okay. Okay, so you tap on it again. Okay, say you are subscribed. So let's refresh because you need to unsubscribe. You need to unsubscribe. Good. So as you come up this way, you tap to unsubscribe. Yes, okay. Say you cannot receive what notification. Yes, you have to follow this procedure. So let's tap on it again and click subscribe and click OK. Now, if that's done, amazing. So next thing you are going to do is to log into Bekenet. So scroll down, the email and password you use in creating. So you are going to log in with the email and password. Okay. So you're going to log in with your email and your password. Just a moment. I need to log in. So log in with your email and password. So I'm going to log in with email and password. Okay. It's a very simple step, so just follow it in a sequential order. So we want to set up the notification. All right. Okay. Set up notification. So remember, I told you the app. So now let's go. So where is the app? So you have to log in. So now log in. So first you have login. This is your dashboard. Then look up here, this menu up here. So you tap on it. So the first place you go to is called access control. Here, right? Control access. Now when you click on control access, what you are going to look for is this activate notification. So you tap on it. Now it pop up with this bell. You click on yes. Look at this yes. I'm sure you can see it. So you click on yes. Pop up, click OK. OK. So click to check device, yes. OK. 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 So it gives you a code and ID this way. So you copy this. Okay, so be systematic and progressive. So you click, so you click here, click, then look at the space up here, this space up here. So you go there and paste it. That is, you press down, you copy a code, you paste it, and look at this column here. Then you click submit token. Right, so the token is submitted. So then the next work is simple. The next work is simple, right? So you have submitted the token. So let's exit this point. Okay. We have submitted the token already. So let's exit this point. No, we're done here. So next you click on activate device. You tap activate device. Test device. All right. So it should pop up with some, because sometimes some of our phone can have issues. Because I experienced that when I was setting up mine. So test device supposed to pop up with a notification. Okay. So testing device. Sometime when my phone have issues, I have to check my software, but I think it's already done. How do I know? Let me just sweep down. So look at it. So it's time for subscribing and all of that. So all of those notifications came up. Okay. So test device. So sometimes if your device stop working when it's supposed to be working, you can always click fix notification. Okay. So now, if your device is successfully activated, So let's go once again, because check notification, activate device. It should tell us your device is successfully activated or something. So now let's go back. Okay, I think I have that down. I don't want this to be too long so that it won't be too crazy boring for you. So let's step back and continue the work. So you come back to your home page and then look at the menu. So tap on it. So here you go. Whatever you subscribe for, let's say you subscribe for synthetic, forex, web3 synthetic. So we have three subscription here. If you subscribe for forex, especially those of you who are a partner on Capital Extend, so you click on forex. So let's go. If it's well trade, so let me click on forex. Now you see that it shows trading chart and placement pro max. So you tap on placement pro max. Now you're going to see instrument PS. Okay, so you click on, look at this option here, load PS. By default, yours will not come up this way. So you click on load PS and wait, say all the PS has been reloaded. So you can see different PS, because I remove some because I don't want to be getting notification anyhow. So because if all were loaded, I'll be getting notification of the one I do not want. So any pairs I'm not trading, I don't trade or have time for, I actually remove them. For instance, look at this is gold euro. I click on delete alerts. So look at this is silver. I delete. Okay, the one I don't want. This is gold euro, silver euro. I delete the one I don't want. USD chef I don't want. USD card I don't want. SND JPY I don't want. Okay, SND chef I don't want. SND card I don't want. Okay, so GBP SND I don't want. It's not all instrument I trade, so GBP card I don't want. GBP, so I just have to do this. So that's if that's what you have subscribed for. I go back again. So let's go to synthetic, Web3 synthetic, the same process. Retracement Pro Max, I tap on it. The same way, you can see the instrument, the only instrument I was using. So I load PS, reloaded. So the one I don't want, I can still take it up the way I just did this. I don't want this guy, 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 I don't want. So I'm just giving you an example of how you actually do your setup properly. So then the same thing, I return back to my dashboard and go to, check on the Forex. So if it's the REIF you subscribe for, the same thing, retracement. Okay, load OPS. Okay, load OPS. So if there are some I don't want, the same way I delete. Okay, this way I delete. This way I delete. So assuming I do not want them, all right? This way I delete. This way I delete. This way I delete. This way I delete. So maybe these are the instruments I want to be receiving. Now, so that's the basic way to set up your notification and your alert so that you can be receiving alert. Does that make sense? So there will be a different video. So now, if that is done, so I'm done here. So when will you be receiving alert on your screen? So if alert come, you go to your screen and then it's going to come up, okay? Once the signal come, it's just for you to go up there and you see. So I've not received any alert, so we're waiting. So let's just, when it just comes, you see it on your screen. And also when you see it on the screen, just to tap. And once you tap, it will pop up this way and take you to the app itself. So let's see like this. When you take you to the app, let's say on Forex. So from Forex now, you take you to the Forex signal. It should be like this. Let's say give you signal on, okay, let's say give you signal on Euro USD for buy. Then to look at Euro USD, you now tap on it and load it. Okay. And then I actually can check signal rate. So this is good for this signal rate, Euro USD. Okay. So it actually says to sell Euro USD, whatever. So you go check. So let me not complicate this. So this is just how to set up your notification. After then, we can put you through on different segment of training on how to now take signal. Right? So that's it, and it's a very simple and straightforward thing. So I'll show you now the next video. I'll show you how to take signal.